Tired of sagging skin, fine lines, and feeling like your mirror is working against you? What if you could restore firmness and glow without needles or expensive treatments? Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to introduce you to a breakthrough that's been turning heads across the country, RefirMance. Before we go any further, I need to warn you, because RefirMance has grown so fast in popularity, many fake copies are being sold online. Don't take chances with your skin, only buy through the official website. The link is in the description below. So what is RefirMance and how does it work? It's a powerful skin firming formula designed to lift, tighten and rejuvenate your appearance from within. It works by supporting natural collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging without any invasive methods. The key benefits: lifts sagging skin naturally, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, restores firmness and glow to tired, dull skin, gives you a more youthful, confident look every day. Using RefirMance is simple. Just take 2 capsules a day, preferably in the morning with water. That's it. No creams, no serums, no fuss. It works best when used consistently over several weeks, and the results speak for themselves. Monica, 52, said she saw noticeable lifting in her jawline after just 3 weeks. Samantha, 44, says her skin looks 10 years younger and friends are asking her what she's using. Thousands of people are seeing real, visible change. Worried about trying something new? Don't be. RefirMance comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. No results? You get every cent back. It's completely risk-free. But hurry, stock is limited, and due to high demand, the promotional kits might be gone soon. Click the link in the description now to secure your supply before it's too late. Encapsulate USA, health on another level, real results.